During this training course, somebody asked me, how do I take a technical concept and simplify it for people? So I just told this person on the training who sells high quality mattresses, don't try and explain the intricate parts about the high pressure cared mattress. There's 9 different layers and how it will give you a better sleep, and trying to convince people, which they just referred back and said, but it cost more. I said, if you would use an analogy, for instance, a battery, you can say, look, if you sleep on an average mattress, you are only going to get charged up to about 20% like a battery. And then you're going to go to bed tired, you're going to wake up tired, and we've all been there. And at 10 o'clock in the morning, you're already tired, you're running down at 10%, and you have to have 3 cups of coffee. But if you sleep on a high quality mattress, what's going to happen is you're going to get a full charge battery. You're going to wake up feeling fantastic. You're going to be highly productive at work. You will be able to feel better. You're not moody, and you can spend the rest of your day in high energy state. And they said, that's amazing. Now, you can use whatever industry you are in, use an analogy to create a reality for people. And this could be using a traffic light or a mobile phone signal. Anything that you can use that people can relate to is amazing, to take a technical concept and using an analogy to explain it for people. So get cranking, think of something very simple that you can explain your technical product with. That means to use an analogy and create a reality. My name is Trevor Ambrose. Subscribe to any of our social media platforms or go to our website, trevorambrose.com, for more free content.